What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw the Sharingan. Okay, so today we are going to draw the Sharingan Eye from Naruto. If you'll check the description box, you can see all the materials I'm using for this tutorial with Amazon product links. As you can see, I started by drawing a parallelogram. So first we are going to start by drawing the eyelashes. As you can see, I'm using the parallelogram as a guideline to keep the right proportions for the eye. I'm drawing the eyelashes with curves, making sure they're sharp. And of course we'll draw the eyelashes underneath as well. Next we are going to draw the eyebrow. We'll do that again by using curves, and as you can see it gets thinner towards the edge, just like the Nike logo. We'll add some wrinkles around it to make it look more intense. And then we can draw the iris. Now to draw the iris you can use any round object you got. It can even be a chaser glass, a coin, whatever. But as you can see on the screen, I bought myself a circle template. It's very cheap and I basically can draw the circle in any size I want. Next we're going to cross it in the middle and draw the pupil. After that we'll draw another circle between the pupil and the iris and just add some lines around it, just like that. Next we are going to draw the tomos. Now we are going to use this triangle, that way we can make sure that the tomos are in the same distance from one to another. And then just refine it. As you can see, it points out of the eye and not inside. Awesome, so we are done with the sketching process and now we can move on to the inking process. So just grab your inking pen. You can hold the pen closer to the tip with a very firm grip. As you can see, I'm rotating the page so I can have my natural hand movement, and then I'm simply going all over the lines. You can do it by either pushing lines or pulling lines. By the way, if you don't have inking pens or Copic markers, you can use a black color pencil for inking and some color pencils for the coloring part. Next we'll fill in the eyelashes with some black color, and as you can see, first I'm using the inking pen for the thin areas, just because I don't want to use the black marker because the tip is much thicker and I don't want to go all over the lines. I don't want to cross the lines. Awesome, once we are done, we'll take an eraser and just get rid of all the lead. Now make sure to clean it very well because we don't want to smear the lead once we use the Copic markers. As you can see, I'm also using the notorious charcoal eraser. And now that it's clean and shiny, we can use the Copic markers. So as you can see on the screen, these are the Copic markers we are going to use. The Copic markers are alcohol-based markers, which means they can blend very well. We got the red colors for the Sharingan and some gray tones for the shade of the eye. So first we're going to start with a very dark gray tone and just color the eyebrow. As you can see, I'm coloring in the direction of the shape, adding more layers of ink, and that way get a darker tone. Next we are going to take the darkest tone of red and color around the borders of the eye. Then we'll take the mid-tone of red, that's a brighter tone. And we'll push some lines towards the pupil, just like that. Next, we'll use a brighter tone of red, that's the brightest tone, and just blend all the colors together. Now, if you guys can see, I didn't listen to my own advice and I smeared some of the lead. That's why we got some black areas right next to the pupil. But no worries, I'm gonna fix it with my colorless blender. The code number for this Copic color is 0, and as you can see, it soaks some of that ink, and then we can add one more layer of red and fix it. Awesome. Next, we are going to add some shade to the eye. We'll add it right below the eyelashes, starting with the darkest tone just like before. After that, we'll use the mid-tone, blending it with the darkest tone. And next, we'll use the brightest tone, again blending it with the mid-tone. Awesome, so to finish up the eye, all we have to do is add some highlights. Now you can do that by using a white color pencil, or you can use a white gel pen and just add 2 dots. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw the Sharingan Eye from Naruto. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. Comment down below. Also make sure to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.